Hi folks, St. Paul's team here with something new in the shop. This is a 1902 Wilcox Gibbs industrial sewing machine. This is not a toy. This was fairly pricey when it was manufactured in 1902. It was about $45. I think that's around $1,200 in today's money. It is fully operated. It has been beautifully restored by Eddie Greenwood, who does quite a few of these. I contacted him and he was able to make me this one. Like I said, it's been restored right down to the bare metal, repainted, new decals applied, and tuned and running fine. The neat thing about Wilcox and Gibbs was the designer. Wilcox was pretty much the financial backing. Notice the shape that's in? A G. That is kind of neat, I thought. Making this industrial has triple bars across here. This is actually I think it's a foot release that can be operated by your foot. And also there's a manual right here. These old sewing machines are just so ornate, and I wanted one fully operated so I can run it on my shows. But look at that, it's just such a beautiful machine on a nice oak base. And runs as good as it looks. I've sewn 3 lines with it. Even tried a U-turn there, which it did. But you can change the thread stitch right here. There's a lever. Let's see if I can find it there. There it is. You can change it all the way up to, what does it go up to? 22 stitches to an inch. These are made in America, and they also made them for the British market as well. And right down here, it's got a little door that opens up and some serial numbers under there. That's a small right here. And let's get her going. Such precision for that old. Gosh, when was World War I? They started making them about 1857, 58, right around the Civil War era. And this is 120 years old, exactly 120 years old. Beautiful machine. And it'll sew a nice straight stitch, straight as I can handle it. All that decal work. Shape of a G for Gibbs, if I haven't mentioned it. Crank it up a bit. Thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Bye now.